How to use GoCharting Open Interest Heatmap. First, open your futures chart. Open GoCharting and select the futures contract that you want to analyze. The heatmap is based on open interest change, so it's primarily useful on futures data. And then in the top of the toolbar, you're gonna have study here. It says indicators. And then type in open interest. And this line is gonna be added here. This is open interest. Open its settings, so just right click on them. Then go to edit settings. And here we have show heatmap. Make sure that this is on. And we can even change the appearance here. Let's apply and exit. The heatmap color codes areas according to OI change percentage. Higher intensity means a larger chance in open interest. This is the basic interpretation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.